This is tutorial number 15, and it covers how to use the Profile Sketch feature within Catia V5. To start off, open up a new part file, and once you've done that, we'll go into the sketcher. So we'll click Sketch, and we'll click on a work plane. So in this tutorial, we're going to be covering the Profile Sketch feature. Now I'm going to show you how it works. So you click on it, and from a point, you start, and you're able to create a profile from it. And you're able to keep going around and around until you reach the starting point. Or, I'll show you another one, you can keep going, and if you press the escape button, then it gets rid of the profile and leaves you with what you just had, so you don't have to close it. Now the advantage of using the profile compared to using, say, like the line, would be that you have to go and manually do each individual line. So with a profile, you're able to quickly add lines all the way around rather than going back and forth, adding one line at a time. Now the sketch profile, it also allows you to put in circles. So we put these lines in. Now hold and drag the profile out until you get a box like this, and now you're able to get a arc. So you have kind of like a 3-point circle, so you're able to bend it around and move it around. So let's bend this one here, and we'll drag another one, put it around there, drag again, put it there, drag again, and then you're able to continue with the lines if you want to. Now the lines, you don't have to do anything special, it's always there. You just have to click and click. With the circles, after you've clicked and finished one, you have to drag out and make this box. Then you're going to have the circle to play around and do what you want. So with the sketch profile, you're able to create a profile of the sketch you want quickly and easily rather than going back and forth, piecing each line or curve one by one. So this concludes our tutorial on how to use the Profile Sketch feature within Catia V5.